Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick size-by-size comparison on the new Aukey 30-watt 2-port PD car charger. This thing is tiny. It is so tiny, you guys won't believe it. I have not tested it for power. I will not test it for power because I don't get that technical. But the reason why I bought it is because I needed something small to fit inside my car. I actually have a truck, and I don't like the fact that everything sticks out that far. I mean, as you can see over the years, the plugs have gotten smaller and smaller and smaller. This one I got for free. It came with one of my dash recorders. This one I don't remember how much I paid for, but I remember paying for it, but it's not a fast charge. This sucker is amazing. It charges really fast, and it has fast charging technology from Samsung. So believe it or not, out of all of these, this one works the best and actually sticks out the most. Which, when you're in a rental car or a work car, you won't forget it in there. But these suckers, once you plug it in, you will definitely forget it. This is the Aukey one, RAV Power Anchor. This is a generic one. I don't remember where I got this from, but it has the 2 ports and everything. It's trash. I probably paid a few bucks for that. Don't remember how much I paid for that. No clue. Got it for free. I think I paid 25 bucks for that. But believe it or not, this is a monster. But if you do want to charge your phone or your equipment, your electronic equipment, I've seen the best way to charge is to buy one of those 12-volt inverters and plug a regular AC outlet into it. I think that's the best way to get power. But look at this. This is tiny. I'm talking about teeny weeny polka dot bikini. Look at this. It's even smaller than that. So if you want me to read out the sizes, I can do that. That one is about 3 1/4. That is about 2 1/4. About 2 and 2/32. Inch and a half, inch and a half, inch and a quarter. It is crazy small. Again, my scale has probably 2/32 edge on it too as well. But if you want centimeters, for anybody that's into centimeters, it's about 8 centimeters, 5.5 centimeters, about 5.5 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, and exactly 3 centimeters. It is tiny. Again, I'm not going to test out power output and all that. That's all technical mumbo jumbo, but I will show you how deep it goes. And look at that. Can't even see it. Can't even see it. You could close up the port and you could do everything. And the only way to take it out, believe it or not, is to pull this little handle, and then you'd be able to lift it out. But if that's not in there, you won't even see that there's anything plugged in there, and you won't be able to take it out. This is amazing. Again, I'll keep you guys updated with how the PD functions and whatnot. But again, this is amazing. Compare that to this monster. Look at the size of this. You'll never forget it anywhere. And compare that to the Aukey one. I mean, this one's tiny too, but this one actually sticks out. Look at that, right? You can still see it's sticking out. But when you plug this guy in, it is inside. It's crazy. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, see how the power delivery actually goes, the function goes. But as always, Aukey makes amazing products. I buy their battery packs, their chargers. But to be honest with you, I've also seen this in a generic form. If you go on Amazon and you put car 30-watt charger, you'll see the generic models of these as well. The reason why I bought Aukey, amazing. 2-year warranty, no issues. It gives you a warranty card. You register for it online, and they're very, very responsive. You get 24 months, 2-year warranty with it. You register it, you get another 6. Best way to go. Alright guys, let me know if there's anything else you want to see. I could always review. But check out the size differences. This is crazy. Again, I'm sorry I'm not a professional blogger or anything. I'm just using my phone. Look at the size. But anyway, thanks a lot guys. Hope to see you again. Bye.